Early learning fun. Hey kids! Are you ready to learn about the animals that live in the glaciers? Earth, our planet, is one big sphere that has two poles that are covered with ice, the North and the South Pole. Let's travel to the South Pole, where the Antarctic is, and let's see some of the animals that live there. The penguin. There are several penguin species in the Antarctic. What color is the penguin? The penguin is black and white. The leopard seal. The leopard seal has spots on its body, just like a leopard. What color is the leopard seal? The leopard seal is gray and white. The elephant seal. The elephant seal is the biggest of all the seals in the Antarctic and has a large nose. That's why it's called an elephant. What color is the elephant seal? The elephant seal is brown. The albatross. The albatross is a bird similar to a big seagull. What color is the albatross? The albatross is gray and white. The krill. The krill is a shrimp that lives in the frozen oceans. What color is the krill? The krill is orange and white. The blue whale. The blue whale is a real giant and the biggest animal that has ever existed. What color is the blue whale? The blue whale is blue. Now let's take a look at all the animals we learned. The penguin. Your turn. The leopard seal. Your turn. The elephant seal. Your turn. The albatross. Your turn. The krill. Your turn. The blue whale. Your turn. The Well done, kids! Next time we will learn about other animals that live in the poles. Bye, kids!